If you are after a rotary tool, this is the 180 watt rotary tool from HARDELL. This thing is absolutely awesome. It is a beast, this guy. It does plug into the power point here. It has a little hook on the back, so if you want to hang it up in your garage, in your tool shed, wherever, then that's perfect. Down the bottom, we've got this on switch here, and then we have different speed settings. So you've got 1 all the way up to 6, which is awesome. The best part about this guy is that it comes with all of the accessories that you could ever need for all of your rotary tooling needs. Seriously, this thing is awesome. For polishing, for sanding, for grinding, whatever you need, this thing comes with it. You've got these little guys as attachments, which is really cool. And then you have all of the, let me try and get one of the polishing ones out. So you got polishing, extra polishing heads. You've got the attachment heads in there as well, which are different sizes for different parts. And honestly, this thing like has everything that you need in here. So many things. If you were to buy these all individually, so expensive. So honestly, this rotary tool from HARDELL, let's turn it on and see how fast it goes. Whoa, that's 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. So awesome and off. Honestly, this thing is awesome. Like I said, it is a beast. It's going to be perfect for anything you need to, polish, cut, whatever. Polish, cut, sand, all the things. Definitely go check this one out.